Righto team, I just thought while I was here on a beautiful day, I'd do a quick review of a couple of new bits of kit in the toolbox. So first up, DJI Neo drone. Now I think this is a game changer for the channel in terms of what I'm going to be able to produce. I've had it about 6 months now or so, and while I haven't done a lot of riding, I have done some, and I have used it for some content which has proven to be quite revolutionary. So this drone, it doesn't need a remote, though I do have the remote for it over there. You just connect your phone into it and away you go. But this comes with preset modes. So you can use it like a remotely operated smart action camera. It's got 6 modes to choose from. They're really handy. You don't have to have your phone on either to use them. So if you find yourself in a quick spot where you just want to get a quick video, whip it out, chuck it in those preset modes, and away it goes. Shoots in 4K. It isn't the best sensor. It doesn't have obstacle avoidance either, but for popping stuff together for YouTube, for social media, it is a great little piece of kit. And at under $350 for the drone itself, it's cheaper than an action camera, which is kind of nuts because this can fly and the action camera can't unless you throw it really hard. Second bit of kit is the one I'm filming on. I've just got myself an iPhone 17. It was a forced upgrade because Apple are about to stop supporting the iPhone 11, which I was very sad to see go. But we're on an iPhone 17 now. This is just the basic unit, but I'm going to be using this also for taking videos like this. Also, I'm going to use it for trying to get some good photos. The cameras on this seem to be pretty good, but yeah, we will see as we go. I've only had it about a week or so. I've nearly cracked the screen already. So hopefully that quad lock case comes really soon, because so far while using a quad lock case on an iPhone, I have not had any dramas, especially from dropping it like the klutz I am. So those are the two new things. DJI drone. If you want to create content with a drone, you're not really confident, this is awesome. You've got lots of opportunities to use it when you're out on a bike. It can fit in your jacket because it is tiny. Right, that's it compared to my fingers, and I got Trump hands. So yeah, that is the DJI Neo action camera drone. It's a drone. But yeah, if you want to know more, hit me up in the comments. I'll do a full review on it when I have the time to do so. But that's a quick look. I think it's bloody cool, especially for the money. So yeah, if you want one, go get one. They're great bits of kit.